today we're going to fit out an oven. So this oven's been installed by the electrician and all the wiring's been connected. But where we need to do something is we need to install all the shelving and give the oven a test run, make sure it's working right. So we'll pull out the guts of the oven. A little bit of plastic on the oven to protect the stainless steel from scratches. We're installed now, so we'll just take this off. And unveil the beautiful stainless steel underneath. Let's see what we've got here. This oven's a new air fryer type oven. So it's got an air fryer basket. These blue stripes. Now these straps, you don't need a knife, just pull them. So turn it over, find the large tag, pull that, and the strap will come loose. These tracks, they go on the sides of the oven. And this is oven shelving. So we'll put the tracks in first. This pushes into a locator in the oven that clips in here. We'll repeat the process on the other side. That's our air fryer shelf. Wonderful. This is for the grill. Okay. So what you need to do is slide these tangs over the back. Then as you slide that in, you've got to position this front one in at the same time. As you slide back, pop it into place. Too easy. And that way the oven shelf can go on here and pull out nice and easy. This is the grill tray. You just set that up in there. Alright, so our oven's now installed. Last thing we need to do is we need to set the clock. This oven's not going to work unless we set the clock first. We'll get our instructions and we'll figure out how to set the clock. Because not every oven's the same. So, press the mode button on this model so you find out the clock is flashing. Then we set the time. So we'll set the time. And that's it, time is set, this oven's ready to go. So what we need to do is we need to run this oven for half an hour as recommended. That'll help potentially burn off any plastic or any factory chemicals that are in there. We'll burn those off so the oven's ready to go. Now, we wait. Alright, thank you for watching. That's us installing an oven and getting ready for its first use. Alright, if you've liked my video, give it a share, give it a like. Thank you.